CII Global Exchange Program. The CII Global Exchange Program has completed its first successful exchange in June 2024. The pilot exchange in Slovenia showed the value of the initiative. Participants gained hands-on experience while fostering cross-border professional relationships. Fieldwork, industry discussions, and cultural immersion provided valuable insights into international business practices. A visit from the Vice President of the Austrian Chamber of Detectives further enriched the experience by facilitating the exchange of knowledge and expertise. So far, 10 participants from all over the world have joined as hosts, guests, or both. The first participants are Roman Bazakalov, Canada; Prakash Prajapati, India; Eric Flores, Venezuela; Sam Zonensign, Israel; Teresa Ramirez, Portugal; Sanjay Kaushik, India; Nick Iorfino, Australia; David Karas, Czech Republic; Praveen Dahiya, Dubai; Bernarda Škrabar Damnjanović, Slovenia. CII's support framework offers travel and visa assistance, accommodation guidance, insurance requirements, mentorship, and support. This program strengthens the global investigative network within CII, enhancing collaboration and mutual trust. We offer flexible 1 to 7 day exchanges focused on operational growth, knowledge sharing, and cultural insights. The objective is to uphold CII standards of quality, integrity, and professionalism, ensuring the program remains vital to our global community. Dominic Karas shared his experience. After we got a chance to be part of testing out the new CII exchange program, I was sure this was a great opportunity. After a few emails, I was on my way to Slovenia for a few days. On the first day, we didn't wait for long, and we already were in field working on a case. Afterwards, we discussed the differences in our abilities to conduct business and what is and isn't possible in our respective countries. Second day, we talked a bit more and had one meeting. In the evening, I was shown around Ljubljana, which was stunning. Last day was a leisure day, and we went to a nearby lake and enjoyed the nice views which Slovenia has to offer. I think the program is useful because you learn about people from our industry and how do they conduct business and how they handle cases, which gives you a new outlook on how you handle clients and cases back at home. You also learn what they can provide and what not. So if now a case comes to us in Slovenia, I have a better understanding how to help clients and what is simply not possible. The next exchange is happening in February 2025. Ayush Kaushik, son of Sanjay Kaushik from India, is visiting David Karas from Czech Republic. For more information, scan the QR code. Reach out and apply now.